Hi, this is Wayne from W&D Painting Services. We haven't done an exterior in a long time, so I thought I'd bring you along and do a before and after. As you can see, we're going to need some scraping. A lot of scraping on this house. Just thought I'd do a little walk by. This is going to be a before and after. As you can see, we got lots of scraping on here. A lot of scraping. Basically, what we're going to do is just scrape it down, prime it, and repaint it, and try to give it some more life. It's extra rough. I'll just walk you around, give you an idea of what we're working on. As you can see, my helper is starting the scraping process. Then we have to go up top and get up there, and then around this corner, and we gotta do all this. As you can see, she's badly needed some scraping. She needs a lot of paint. We're gonna do it in a light gray as the homeowner's request. All the poles, trim and all be done in a white. All this up here will be a white. No change on the deck. Just, we're gonna do it all white. White on the handrails. But as you can see, let me zoom in on this section. All that's got to be scraped and painted. Like I said, no change on the deck. All these posts will get scraped and get repainted. No change on the shutters. Then we have to go. We have to get up there, get that scraped and painted, and primed. So basically, the next couple of days is going to be sanding and scraping, and then we'll start the priming process, eventually into paint. So I was looking at a 4 to 5 day project, and afterwards, when I get everything else done, I'll bring you back for part 2. But for now, appreciate your patience and stay tuned for the next. Again, this is Wayne from W&D Painting Services, and we thank you for your time today. See you soon on the next one. Welcome back to part 2 of the house here in Franklin. We had a lot of work on this house. 2.5 weeks of scraping. But just wanted to bring you back, show you what we done. There's the top. Let's walk around here. We got the rails, we got the post, the windows, doors, skirt, overhead trim, corner boards, here's one side of the house. I'll back up so you can get it. Overhead's all done, windows, there's the trim, siding. Never scraped so much in all my life. This house was really, really bad, but one thing about scraping, you got to keep going till you get the bare bones. Here's some more trim, corner boards, more windows, more siding. There's the overhead. All the trim up there is done. All the siding's done as well. Take you around the back of the house, show you this final completion. More. Here's the overhead. Windows, siding. Walk over here to the other side of the house. As you can see, all the siding, all matching now. If you step back, you can get an overview of what the top looks like. All the siding. Corner boards, windows. We'll take a step here on the porch here in a second. Show you how that turned out, how the ceiling and all looked. Here's the ceiling. I think it looks pretty good with the green shutters. Here's the ceiling. Overall, I think it turned out pretty nice. The color combination with the green roof, I think flows pretty nice. I appreciate y'all watching today. And it just goes to show you that anything ugly can be made beautiful. You take enough time to it. And believe me, we spent forever here, but one thing we're committed, we don't stop. And one final look at this house, and this is Wayne from W&D Painting Services saying we hope you have a blessed day. Thank you for watching this video. If you need your exterior painted to look this nice, you can reach me at hal1024@gmail.com. God bless and good day. Thanks for watching.